Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Entertainment Recap on the News Chronicle TV. The AMVCA 2026 Awards is happening on Saturday, May 9th at Echo Hotels in Lagos, and it features 32 categories with Ginger and The Head leading with 9 nominations each. To Kill a Monkey has 8 nominations, and My Father's Shadow has 7 nominations. I mean, like, expectations are high because a lot of interesting movies were released late 2025. I mean, we're talking behind the scenes, we're talking over Sabi Auntie. I mean, it was just epic. Meanwhile, Unche Montana marked her birthday early this morning with a series of stunning photos that was shot against a sunset backdrop. The actress looked stunningly beautiful on a wine dress and she was glowing as the sun. This season has really been for her. She released the sequel to her film Monica on May 2nd, and the film has been performing well on YouTube. I mean, a viewer said something and I was like, this is right. And he said he felt it was like a crime watching this movie for free. The film had 1.2 million views within 4 hours and currently is doing 15 million, over 50 million views on YouTube. The actress was stunned by the performance and thanked supporters and viewers, for watching the movie. If you've not watched it, I think you should this weekend. For more stories like this, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com. Like this video, share it with your community, and I will see you next time. Stay fine and stay blessed.